by the ocean's breeze. There's a haven meant to put minds at ease. The Millen stands, a jewel so fine, a haven to savor and unwind. In good society, raise your glass, where moments linger and time won't pass. Chic whispers hum through Lili's grace, a café that leaves a charming trace. Oh, the Millen, where dreams descend, luxury calls and worries end. A sparkling gem in Penang's embrace. Step through the doors, feel time's warm embrace. Blacklinen stirs with flavors divine, each plate a masterpiece, a taste to entwine. The pool reflects the azure of the sky, while the spa lets your worries drift and fly. In the ballroom grand, the chandelier sway, hosting moments that take breaths away. Meeting rooms hum with plans brewed bright, business by day, revelry by night. Oh, the Millen, where dreams descend, luxury calls and worries end. A sparkling gem in Penang's embrace. Step through the doors, feel time's warm embrace. Blacklinen stirs with flavors divine, each plate a masterpiece, a taste to entwine. The pool reflects the azure of the sky, while the spa lets your worries drift and fly. In the ballroom grand, the chandelier sway, hosting moments that take breaths away. Meeting rooms hum with plans brewed bright, business by day, revelry by night. Oh, the Millen, where dreams descend, luxury calls and worries end. A sparkling gem